everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Annalisa from Creative Curious Learning and Living, and this is my husband Tyler, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 25. So we are doing something a little bit fun and different for today's video.
We wanted to give something a little bit more fun today. That it was incorporated cleaning, but in a fun way that makes you laugh. So we hope you enjoyed the video we did today, as it is something that at least married couples deal with quite often, cleaning up for the in-laws.
And the messes that the kids bring with that.
Absolutely.
And the kids had a lot of fun doing this. They got to dump out toys when we told them, so they thought that was really fun. So we're going to get into the video, and if you are not already subscribed, definitely hit that subscribe button. Thank you for sticking through Vlogmas with us, and thank you to all my recent subscribers. Here on my channel, we share homeschool journey, cleaning motivation, home decor, and so much more. So click the subscribe button to join us here, and we will see you in the next one. And we want to wish you a Merry Christmas. What time is it?
Shoot.
What time is it? Because we have so much to do.
Oh no.
What? Oh no! Your mom's coming soon. We gotta get this house clean. Put those toys away.
Go. Put away. No. Go.
No, put them away. Somebody take the baby so I can go do the dishes. And you need to clean the bathroom.
Okay.
And the laundry area in the bathroom. And I don't know what to do.
Okay, let's just go.
Okay,
Go.
we're running out of time. Okay. Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy.
It's Christmas time. It's Christmas time. The season of peace is finally here. When family and friends and neighbors come to call, bringing love and Christmas cheer. It's Christmas time. It's Christmas time. The lights on the trees shine so bright. Hear carolers singing from house to house. Silent night.
Where does this go? Where do we want to put it? Go.
In the bedroom, quickly.
Just throw it in?
Yeah.
Oh, holy night. See mistletoe hanging in the doorway, inviting a secret stolen kiss. It's a wonderful, heartfelt time for everyone on earth to reflect and reminisce. It's Christmas time. It's Christmas time. See children skating merrily in the square. Smiling boys and girls with faces all aglow.
What are you doing? Don't do it!
Waiting for Saint Nick to appear, to find their stockings loaded with gifts from their list. All the children of the world Soon they'll believe that wishes do come true for every good boy and every good girl. It's Christmas time. It's Christmas time. The happiest time of the year. The joy.
Oh no, they're here. Okay, you get the door.
I'll get the door.
Is it clean?
I think we're good.
Okay, are you sure? She's gonna look under here. But I cleaned under there, so we're good.
Okay,
Okay.
we're good.
Wait, is she? You just get the door. Yeah.